Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this quilled photo frame for your memory photos with stand, and you can also hang it on the wall. So let's start. Scissor, glue, half cut pearls, sellotape, tweezer, pencil, quilling tool, paper cutter, ruler, quilling board, mold tool, some pattern paper, white paper, thick cardboard, or you can also use cardstock, and the most important, some quilling strips. First we take a cardboard and mark. The middle line is my photo size and I mark 0.5 more and less. Rest cut more, I will tell you later. And other this side is 3.5 from all the sides. So first let's cut. As you can see, it's cut. Now I will take it out, cut it part, and here it's done. Now you can paint these sides or you can paste printed paper. I cut 4 printed paper 5 by 20 centimeters. Now I will paste them. Similarly, I will do with the other sides. Now I will work on the back side. Here I cut up little bit smaller piece. Now I will paste the paper on it like this with the help of glue. Cutting corners for clear work like this. Now apply glue and paste it with the cardboard. And here it's done. Now I will paste this with the frame. Before that I mark 0.5 centimeters like this, and this line I will apply double-sided tape on 3 sides, not the 4 side, where I will insert my photo like this. Now apply glue, peel off the tapes. Now just paste the cardboard like this. Now I will paste other white paper on the whole frame. Take pencil and mark, cutting, apply glue and paste the paper. Now I'm making stand. For making stand, here I'm taking 21 cm by 3 cm cardboard and I paint them. First I mark 3 cm on the top and the bottom, and I also mark in the between. And now make them trees like this. Now join with the sellotape. Here I am using sellotape. You can also use another tape or glue. Now join them with the frame. Also, here I am using cello tape. Apply 3 to 4 layers of cello tapes to make it strong. Similarly, I done with the other one. Here you can see it can stand. And if you want to make it hang, just take a ribbon and paste it with the frame in the middle. Apply glue and paste like this, and to make it strong, take a piece of paper, apply glue and just paste it. After dry, it will get strong. So it's up to you. Now I will show you how to make this flower. For this, here I am taking 1 strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of red, and here I am making a loose coil. Now apply glue to secure the end. Now to give it a shape, take your tool and twist it like this. Similarly, I created one more petal and I will join them like this. Hold for some time. Now take half strip of red color and wrap it around the petal like this. And similarly, I have created 4 more petals to create a flower. Secure the end using glue, and here it's done. Now join the flower. Here I'm using half cut pearls. I'm making a shape. Pinch it from the bottom and top. Now join all the petals together. Apply glue on the top. Now paste your pearl on the flower. After dry, it will look like this. Now I will show you how to make this flower. For this, we take 1 strip of blue color and make a loose coil. And half strip of grayish and make another loose coil for this. Take the blue loose coil and secure the end using glue. Now to make a Malaysian flower petal, take your tool and bend it like this. Now take your grayish loose coil and make a teardrop shape. Now join them together like this. Now wrap the whole petal with the blue color strip like this. In the end, apply glue and cut the excess strip, and your petal is ready now. Similarly, I have created 4 more petals to create a flower. Now I will join them together to create a flower shape. For joining them, here I am using a tight coil in between, and in the top half cut pearl. And after dry, it will look like this. Now I will show you how to make this 3D quilled flower. For this, here I am using half strip of red and half strip of purple, light purple. I will join them. Now I will make a tight coil Now using glue to secure the end. Here I am using my mold tool to give it a 3D shape like this. After I will apply glue and spread it over the coil. Let it dry for some time. Similarly, I have created 4 more tight coils. Now I will join them all together to create a flower shape like this. And after glue it will done. Now I will show you how to make this leaf. For this, here I am taking one strip of dark purple and making a loose coil. Take it out, apply glue and pinch it from the bottom and top. And here it's ready. Similarly, I have created 2 more petals. Now I will join them together like this. And after drying, it will look like this. Now I will show you how to make this pattern leaf. For this, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green, making a loose coil. Take it out and apply glue to secure the end and make a teardrop shape like this. Similarly, I have created 2 more teardrop shape. Now I am taking a half strip of same shade of green, making a loose coil. Take it out, apply glue to secure the end. Let it dry a little bit. After dry, pinch it from the top. Now take your tweezer and roll it like this. Here it will get shape. Hold for some time and here it's ready. Now I will join all the shapes together. And after dry, it will look like this. Now I will show you how to make this leaf. Here I am taking 1 strip of another shade of green. Here I am making loose coil. Apply glue. Now pinch it from the bottom and top like this and also twist it. And here it's done. Similarly, I have created 7 more. Now I will show you how to make this scroll. For this, here I am taking 2 strips of different color. One is light green and one is satin green. I will do 4 equal parts of each strip like this. Similarly, I will do with the other. Now I will join them with alternate colors, like one is dark green, one is light green. Follow the same process for all. Now make the top equal, apply glue and hold for some time. Now take your tweezer and roll it for 5 to 6 times like this. Take out your tweezer, hold for some time and leave. Now pull the strips a little bit like this. Cut the excess part. Apply glue here. let it dry, and after dry it will ready. Now I will decorate my photo frame. You can decorate according to your wish. Now I will paste them all. Similarly I will do with the other side. And here my frame is ready. Now I will put my photo in the frame. You can also change your photo like this. This is my 8th class school memory photo. This is me, my friend, two other friends. This is my whole class. These two teachers are my favorite.